Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're going to be getting organized with some of my favorite products from Dollar Tree. One of my favorite areas of my house to organize is definitely my kitchen, and Dollar Tree has some great items that you can use. Probably my favorite container that I pick up are these white containers that have like the gray base to them. Now they can be a little tricky to find, so whenever I see them, especially in the larger size, I always pick them up. I love using these containers in drawers to really separate out my different utensils. I am a firm believer in not keeping too many utensils around, and I love being able to just open the drawer and find everything that I need. So another area of my kitchen really needs some work. I have these nice big drawers in my kitchen, and I like to keep kid items down low. That way my kids can easily access all of their plates, cups, and bowls. A while ago, I made this system that was made out of foam, and it's crumbling, and I need to do something different. So I picked up 4 of these tan organizers from Dollar Tree. So the trick to making sure that these tan organizers stay put in this drawer, especially in a drawer for kids, is adding some poster tack. You can pick this up at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna add a little bit to the bottom of each container and stick it down. Now I'm just going to put in their plates and their bowls and their cups, and we'll just cross our fingers and hope that they keep it organized. Since we're in my kitchen, I want to tell you all about today's sponsor, Daily Harvest. Daily Harvest delivers convenient, customizable, no prep, and ready in minutes foods with top ingredients straight to my door. 2020 has been crazy this year for eating healthy, and I really want to get back on track in the new year. That's why I'm so excited about Daily Harvest. I know myself, I need something that's easy and convenient because I don't like to spend a lot of time cooking or meal prepping. So I think Daily Harvest is going to be perfect for me to help me with eating healthy. Daily Harvest allows you to customize every box depending on your taste with clean food built on real fruits and vegetables. I'm planning on using Daily Harvest for my breakfast and lunch. They have smoothies, oat bowls, harvest bowls for lunch. They also have flatbread. So really you can have a variety with your meals. So all the meals come to your door frozen, and you just have to follow the instructions to heat them up. For breakfast, I'm gonna have the cherry and dark chocolate oat bowl. So I'm gonna add in a half a cup of my preferred milk and stir it around. Now you can have them cold or hot. I want to have them hot, and I want it as simple as possible in the microwave. So I'm gonna heat it up for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring in between, and that's all there is to it. Let the oat bowl cool off just a little bit. I'm excited to try it with the cherries. Oh my gosh, you guys, it has chocolate pieces in it. It doesn't even feel like I'm eating like a breakfast item. That's good. So I want to show you guys what a harvest bowl looks like as well, because I think they're going to be perfect for lunches. So the harvest bowl I'm going to show you is the cauliflower rice and pesto bowl. Now you can either heat this up on the stove or in the microwave. Of course I'm going to do it in the microwave, but it only takes 4 to 5 minutes and then it's ready to eat. All right, you guys, so this is what the harvest bowl looks like. It looks really good. I'm excited about it because I really like pesto. That's good. Oh my goodness. This is pretty much like all vegetables, and it tastes really good. It has like a really good pesto taste to it. Really good. So I'm excited that I have all of my breakfasts and lunches ready to go for the week, and I know I'm eating like real fruits and vegetables, and it's super healthy for me, and it's only gonna take a couple of minutes to heat up. So if you want to get on a healthy track like me this year, give Daily Harvest a try. Maybe try out a variety of options, and then when you figure out which ones you really like, you can just order those. You can also get $25 off your first box by using my code LizF, and I will link everything for you down in the description box. So I have a great item you can use in your kitchen for your dish towels. If you have a kitchen kind of shaped like mine, or you don't really have a good place to hang like your dish towels, I have found this solution to be great. I picked up this over the cabinet towel bar at Dollar Tree for just $1. I've seen these on Amazon and Target for so much more, but they sell it for just $1. And they even have these nice little foam pieces on the back so it's not gonna scratch up your cabinet. I've had this on my cabinets and they have not scratched up. So you just put it over your cabinet, and then you can put your dish towel so it can sit right under your kitchen sink. I think this is a great solution. If you have a small bathroom, you can do that as well, or maybe you're a renter and you don't want to put a hook in the wall. This is a great solution. I think by far this is one of my favorite items from Dollar Tree. Another really popular item that I like to pick up at Dollar Tree are these little stackable wire shelves for only $1. What I'm gonna use this for is in my pantry. I have a really small pantry. It's just a cabinet on like over by my fridge, and I'm gonna use it to organize my Tupperware. I know not everybody calls it Tupperware. It's not really Tupperware. It's like food storage that I use, but I grew up with people calling it Tupperware, so that's just what I call it. But just to give me like another level on my shelves to put things underneath and on top. So that's what I'm using this for. These shelves are great. You can also use these shelves in your cabinets. I also use them to divide up so I can put bowls and plates on 2 different levels. These are really great to have. Now, if you have a smaller kitchen and you don't have a lot of room to organize your measuring spoons and your measuring cups, here's a great idea for you. You can get a set of hooks from Dollar Tree, and I've had pretty good luck with these hooks holding on my cabinetry, and you can line them on the inside of your cabinets and hang up your measuring spoons and your measuring cups. And you're really not taking any extra space. And the thing I love about this is that you can just pull off the one that you need instead of having to like fumble through a stack of them and looking at all the different measurements. So I love this idea. Another really popular wire organization system from Dollar Tree is their tiered wire tray. These are great for canned goods or spices, but I wanted to give you another idea for them. You can always turn them on their side and use it to store your foil or wax paper as another option. You know how you have those areas of your kitchen that are just really hard to find a container for? Well, that was the case with these straws that we have in our kitchen. My kids really like to put the straws right next to where all the silverware is. Well, I wanted to find a container to put in there, but I could not find one. I've tried like 3 different ones. Until now, I was at Dollar Tree and I found this organizing basket they have. It's one that looks like this. I'm not even really familiar with it, but it is skinny enough and long enough to fit straws perfectly. So I'm going to be using this for my straws. That's the great thing about Dollar Tree is they have such a wide variety and you don't feel bad only buying it for $1. Even if it's not gonna work, I assume I can probably use it in another area of my house. So let's move into my bathroom and I'll show you some additional organization ideas that I love from Dollar Tree. I love using Dollar Tree containers in my toothbrush drawer. It fits my toothpaste and my toothbrush just perfectly. And I know I'm gonna get some questions about my toothbrush, so I will go ahead and link it for you down in the description box, as well as anything else I have in this video. I'll put it for you down in the description box. Now at most Dollar Trees, you can always find these little white bins, and I love using these in drawers. I think they make great organizers for skincare or makeup, and they come in like a smaller size as well as a larger size. Sometimes you can find just adorable containers at Dollar Tree. These containers to me look like something that you would buy at Target. Like they're just really cute, these little gray containers. And I'm gonna be using these underneath a bathroom sink to organize all those necessities. I'm gonna be putting in hand towels, toilet paper, and washcloths. Whenever I'm organizing for someone else's bathroom in my family, I make sure to add in labels. This just helps that family member to know where things are supposed to go. I think it helps them with maintaining that organization system. We need to tackle the junk drawer in my kitchen, and I know you guys have a drawer like this that just, no matter what you do, every couple of months you're gonna have to reorganize it. Like I even find that like the bins go missing. I don't know where they go. So I'm just going to reorganize our junk drawer. Typically the things we keep in our junk drawer are pens, markers, pencils. We always keep scissors in here, a tape measure, and sometimes scrap paper. And it just, you know, so many people are going in and out. The kids get in here to get pencils out for school. So it's just always a mess. So every couple of months, I just try to clean it out and organize it again. Let me know what your favorite organization items are from Dollar Tree. I want to know if I'm missing any, and make sure you go check out in the description box Daily Harvest and give them a try. If you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I have tons of organization videos and DIYs, and if you missed our last video, I'll link it here for you, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.